Hello friends, welcome back to lmsdaily.com. In this video, I will show you how you can use the Canva's Magic Eraser feature to remove any distracting object from your photographs or images and replace it with your background. So as you can see that now I have a design open, and what I will do is I will just pull up an image here. So let us say, for example, I will pull this one. And in this image I want this mobile phone to be removed from this table. So what I need to do is I need to select this image here and then click on the edit photo on the top. Now here on the left you can see different tools, so I will choose this Magic Eraser button here, and here you can choose the brush size, where you can see the circle going bigger or smaller as you move this. And once you select the brush size, all you need to do is go near the object which you would like to erase, and then hover it on top of this image. So just put it like this, and then let Canva do the rest of the magic. It will take some time, and then your image will be automatically updated. So you can see that it has done a pretty nice job, but there is still a mark left on the bottom side. So let me again do this on this area. Hopefully we will get much better results. Okay, yes. So now as you can see that the phone is completely lost or completely removed from this image, and you are not able to find out any single trace that there might be any such item on this image. So as you can see that it looks pretty clean as compared to the one here. So similarly, you can also make use of this Magic Erase feature in Canva to remove any unwanted or any distracting objects from your photographs. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to click the subscribe button as well as press the bell icon. It will really help me to create more engaging content for you in the near future. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.